If I had a magic wand, I would tap you on the head and give you a perfect childhood. I can't do that, but I can tell you what I know after 40 years in this business. Dude, you got to make your own future. Your past does not define your future. Your past sucks. I hear it. All right. I'm sympathetic, but man up. Every morning you get up and make good decisions. You work hard. You sacrifice now so you don't have to sacrifice when you're 50 and 60. Because if you don't start doing things better, you know what you're doing? Your child is going to have the struggles you've had. Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to those charges? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily today? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? All right, counsel, if you would voir dire, give me the facts I need. Incident date, August 23, counsel, if that's what you're looking for.
On that date and time, Mr. Singleton, were you in a motor vehicle? Were you driving that vehicle? At some point during that evening, did you encounter the police? And did the police flick their lights on to indicate that they were initiating stop? And did you disregard those lights and continue driving down the road? At the time you were driving down the road, you did understand that those were police officers. Defense is satisfied.
All right. And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied, sir? I'll accept the plea to the added charge and dismiss original counts 1 and 2. Well, 3 was the charge, DWLS. So I'm inclined to send it for a pre-sentence investigation unless you guys try to talk me out of it.
This is the first offense that's going to be under HIDA. I think, this court hasn't.
No objection to HIDA? Sorry to cut you off, counsel. All right, go ahead, counsel.
Supervision, structure and downtown.
Mm-hmm.
There shouldn't be any issues. Part of his conditions, I think, are they want you that to get that license worked on and drive until that license is,
Right.
up to speed. So to say, in terms of fines and costs, his family is here, has a lot of support.
Good.
First, last time they did.
No priors? Okay.
Your Honor, if I may.
Yeah, please.
Especially recommend reporting probation, no jail, under the useful phase 6.
Thank you. Mr. Singleton, where'd you go to high school? Graduate? You're in your senior year? What's your GPA? Yeah, and in 30 years on the bench, that means it's not nearly as high as it could be. Am I right? What are your plans post high school? Yeah, what do you plan on doing after high school? Okay. What do you have to do to get your driver's license straightened out? Has he ever had a license, counsel?
I think it's been tickets.
Okay,
I don't know what.
okay.
Just the tickets to or the
Right.
license.
Is that woman with the head bobbing back there, mom? Sister? I'm sorry to hear that. Can I hear from your sister? Because it sounds like she might know more about your business than you do. Is that all right? Ma'am, come on up. State your name for me. Miss Singleton, do you know the status of his license? Come on up here with a microphone so I can hear you better. You're all right, come on up. Because of too many points? Can you run it? Print it out? You got it enough to see me. That's too much. And that's too much. Yeah. His biggest trouble is because he can't tell me he's doing the best he can in school. I didn't make that kid. And the fact that you're a father is not going to make your life easier without an education. Keep talking.
At just 18, standing in court with a suspended license, he thought it was just another case. But the judge wasn't calm. He unleashed a brutal reality check. No excuses, no sympathy, just truth. One wrong path could destroy his future. Jail wasn't ordered, but it was still waiting.
It's wrong. There is a lot there.
Absolutely. And it all sucks. It all sucks. But every day this young man gets up and he gets to make his own choices today. And he's been making bad choices. Keep your dick in your pants. You wouldn't have a kid at 18 without a high school education. Tell me I'm wrong. Smart man, tell me I'm wrong. Counsel, come on up. I can't let you have it, but I want you to look at it because the way I'm reading that, it says he's eligible for restricted right now. But it's been years since I could read those because they keep changing the format and they keep making them worse. I think he's eligible for driving privileges. Would you agree or disagree?
Suspension effective from July. I don't know how long the suspension would last. I'm fine. I mean, as a condition, I would be fine with either saying he just cannot drive without a valid license, and that would kind of solve the issue.
All right.
Your Honor, may I address the court?
Yeah, please.
Thank you, Rob. If he's convicted of suspended license, as you all know.
It's gonna- Yeah.
Your permission, Judge, I would like to have him plead instead of reckless driving count 2. I think there will be more benign versus driving record.
I didn't know that points.
It's going to be 6 points versus 2. The DWLS is 2 points.
Judge, if I may, I would.
I'll tell you what, hold on. Let's get outside the box a little bit. If you want to be generous,
Yeah.
let him plead to allowing an unlicensed driver to operate, which is the same thing you'd give her if she let him drive when he was suspended, right?
I'll adopt it.
No points. All right. Won't stop you from straightening his license out. And I'm going to require that he get his license before he's off this HIDA, or I won't give him HIDA. You understand that? So he just agreed to save you 2 points and another suspension period. Yes? When are you supposed to graduate? Mid-year or spring? All right, Mr. Singleton, I'm going to do a 12-month delayed sentence under Holmes Youthful Trainee Act. I'm not going to assess any money. You will report to my probation department on a regular basis, and that could be by email. They'll work that out with you. I'm assuming you can give them transportation a couple times. All right, so as long as you're on track for the first month or two, they'll probably let you just do it on email. I'm going to require that you get your driver's license straightened out before the 12 months is up. I'm going to require that you get a high school diploma before the 12 months is up. And I'm also going to order 30 hours of community service charity work. That means you volunteer with some nonprofit agency that's registered with the IRS, church, soup kitchen, Salvation Army, Boys and Girls Club. I don't care. As long as it's an IRS recognized nonprofit, 30 hours, document those 30 hours. And I want that done between now and December 1, 2025. Do you have any questions about what you have to do to get the benefit of HIDA? All right. Understand, I'm still holding jail time over your head. Make my tail wag or you probably will go to jail. Do you understand that? All right. Now, I have to say this or I will not sleep tonight. Dude, I am glad I didn't have your problems as a kid. But with respect, with sympathy, I want you to hear what I'm about to tell you. The world does not give a shit if your life sucks till you're dead because of the problems you had in your youth. The world doesn't care. Okay? If I had a magic wand, I would tap you on the head and give you a perfect childhood. I can't do that, but I can tell you what I know after 40 years in this business. Dude, you got to make your own future. Your past does not define your future. Your past sucks. I hear it. All right. I'm sympathetic, but man up. Every morning you get up and make good decisions. You work hard. You sacrifice now so you don't have to sacrifice when you're 50 and 60. Because if you don't start doing things better, you know what you're doing? Your child is going to have the struggles you've had. You want the boy or girl? Girl. You want that for your little girl? Hell no. Quit focusing on the past, the things that didn't happen the way they should have, and seize the future, man. All right, I'll sleep tonight. Anything else, counsel? All right, he needs to go down to probation. Sister, thank you. You're welcome. Improper transport, 750.227, is that correct? I think that's a 1-year misdemeanor, correct? You understand that, sir? Possible penalty is up to 1 year. I could put you in jail for a year. I have to tell you what the possible penalty is. I'm not planning on putting you in jail. You understand that? Did you read or did you go over your rights with Ms. Farage?
Yes.
You understand the rights and the options those rights give you?
Yes.
Understanding that, are you pleading guilty to this charge? Doing so freely and voluntarily. All right, counsel, can you get me the facts I need to support the plea? December 20 is the incident date.
Yes. Do you mind if I grab this for?
No, not at all.
Mr. Richmond, on the day of 12/20/2024, reading in the location of 27/4/273 Road, Romulus, Michigan. And that is in the city or the county, the state of Michigan.
Yeah.
And at that time, you were stopped by, or you were stopped by Romulus Police Department?
Say again? I can't hear you.
I'm stuck on Pennsylvania Road.
I'm asking.
By which department? Thank you.
And at the time, when you were stopped, you informed officers that there was a firearm that was.
He was caught with a firearm in his car without proper authorization. One mistake could have turned into a felony and destroyed everything. The judge stayed cold and direct. No yelling, no mercy tone. Just facts, probation and fines were given. But prison was dangerously close to becoming real.
Kroger's, how long you been there?
I've been there the last 3 months. Right before that, I was at FedEx. I sued over Kroger.
All right. How long you been driving?
Last 2-3 years.
Okay. No CPL?
He didn't bring to the court a certificate of completion of the CPL class. He has a,
So he's in the process.
he next week has an appointment, so I.
Good. Good. All right. Any prior criminal history? Okay. Why you got such a bad attitude today?
Upset.
Okay.
The whole process of advising it was real weird and.
Okay.
just-
Get over being upset because this is a pretty damn good result. This is so much better than a felony, brother. So much better. Felony probably cost you your job. Would it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you? All right, 12-month non-reporting probation. That just means stay out of trouble. No new charges. Court costs or fines of costs assessed from the amount of $500. Can you pay that today or do you need options? Go on downstairs and talk about the options. They'll straighten you out. All right, what's next?
Or is the setting it for examination?
Roberts?
Yeah.
Isn't it set for an exam? Is it an exam today?
You're on the-
Ah,
We gave it late.
oh, yeah. Council, I think we already gave you some October 15s, or was it 22nd?
Yeah, you're on.
15th? What time? How about 1? Mr. Roberts, October 15th, 1 PM? Bond continued unless I hear otherwise?
Okay.
All right, Mr. Roberts, just have a seat back in the pews. We'll get you a written notice. You're welcome.
No, but, well.
Mr. Kaplan, anything for me?
Not at this moment.
Keep pushing. Yeah.
So I've seen a lot. I think we met.
It's been a long time if we had. That was a Macomb prosecutor, so I don't know each other.
No, I never went to Macomb.
But I know we've met.
Yeah. Well, welcome.
You did a nice job.
Thank you.
I was with Wayne County, you may remember, in the homicide division, way back. I know you know all these.
Yeah.
2011, 12, and 13.
Yeah.
So I came back.
So where they have you? You just
Some
like
of the
filling in?
Simon,
Okay,
I'm in Detroit some days, and
okay.
just happy to be back.
Yeah.
Nice to see you.
It's good to work when you want to work, right? Yeah. Good to see you.
See you.
Mr. Graziani, what do you have?
Getting an adjournment from, your staff, sir.
What's the file?
You can track that, it is the lead. No, there's an adjournment, that was the complete off of that, because we would have just, we were.
Give me a defendant's name so I can pull the file.
Was it,
Defendant's name,
other than that, Logwood,
Logwood.
he agreed with, let me, go with, yeah, I need some, yeah.
That's all you guys do.
I'll bring
Get
you.
ready to go.
Hey.
Hey. Stops recording. That's all right. Just nice talking.
Miss Elijah, you got something? Give me a name.
Versus Wiley.
All right, looking for the file. Got it.
Wiley, with your permission, the people are unable to proceed on count 1 with missing their complainant.
Are you gonna-
Court, this count 1 without prejudice, and keep count 2 here at the district court, because we do have a witness who's cooperating.
Okay. All right. And Miss Elijah, I'm gonna guess you're not on, you can sit down, sir. Yeah, I'm gonna guess you're not on count 2.
Well, there's a felony in the case, so.
Right. I'll set it for pretrial. You can deal with our MIDC. Okay, you understand that?
So you go ahead and ask, the next court date, and is it Zoom or in person?
Yes. Heather will tell you.
When, how many weeks out? I think, well, he's gonna need is the attorney referral gonna happen today, or is it gonna happen at the next court hearing?
At the next court date, he'll speak to somebody.
I suggest that, sooner rather than later.
Then we have September 24th, 2 weeks, 9:45, and that would be by Zoom.
Okay, yeah, September 24th at 9:45.
Is that Martin?
That is Patton.
All right.
No, we won't, because
Just leave bond as is?
This is the case we argued on last week with the 99-year-old mother. Michael is the
Yeah,
one who they live.
I got you. You had me at hello. I remember. Yeah. Yep.
Michael is the count two is Randy, who's here.
Right. Randy, where are you? Randy. Would you ask Randy Wiley to come in here,
He does.
but not the house? I mean, not the address. Yeah, okay. And I already removed the not to return to. I did that last week. So unless he gives me something, I'm just gonna continue bond.
He should have no contact order with Brother Mike, because Brother Mike is the case.
True, that case is dismissed. You got that?
I will whenever, yeah.
Yeah.
Would like to sit down for the.
Yeah.
Yeah, part of it.
Your name, sir?
Wiley?
Okay, so currently there's a no contact bond. We're gonna continue that.
Yes.
Anything else?
I don't know.
To appear and testify. I don't know what the process is.
Okay, so we had two counts, one with your brother Michael, one with you as complainants.
Yeah.
The count one case has been dismissed today. We're scheduling the count two, your misdemeanor case. That's going to be scheduled on September 24 because this attorney can't represent him when that's a standalone case. So we've got to get him a new attorney for the misdemeanor. Just the way the system is.
May I ask, how did it go from a felony to a misdemeanor?
The prosecutor just said they were unable to proceed with the felony and dismissed it.
Prosecutor said this,
Yes.
can I talk to the prosecutor and what?
Well, that's up to the prosecutor. You can't talk to him right now though, because I'm using him on other files, but
Rationale for coming today?
Right. I can't tell you because it wasn't my decision, but I'm sure he'd be willing to talk to you. Just wait for him until he's done in the courtroom. All right? That's Mr. Kaplan right there with the vest. All right?
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
That's all. Thank you. All right, so pre-trials 9/24/25 at 9:45 in the morning with Judge Patton by Zoom. Bond is continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You had another file? What's that?
He's in custody.
All right. Joe, do you know that?
I-
We're gonna give you notice, Mr. Wiley.
I'll hand the paperwork.
Okay, you're all right. I'm sorry, Mr. Elijah. Was that Martin? The next one? What are we doing?
The officer is, personal knowledge is not here.
All right. Both counts?
If I may, we do have a witness, but not the game where I can't prevail without us.
Yeah. Unali Prasen?
We would, we'll reauthorize Judge Peter Smith.
Okay. All right. So I'm taking that as a motion from the fence to dismiss. All right, so I'll just leave it to you to explain that to Mr. Wiley when he gets in, and then we'll get him on his way back to get processed out, hopefully.
Oh, Mr. Martin,
Mr. Martin,
we can bring it on.
okay. I probably can't call him off now. You're gonna take him right back in, Joe. He's going right back in. We're gonna dismiss it. She's just explaining what happened.
And I was in the courts clear, smart and sober, over 1 year.
Good for you. Good for you. Now you know how it works. Yep, good for you. Keep it up. Keep it up. What do you got?
We're ready, Nielsen, like.
Nielsen? Are we holding it? All right. I think we got 3 different files, don't we? 2 different, yeah, 3 different files.
He, prosecutor doesn't have anything to do with the 2 graphic offenses. They're misdemeanors, so the NDS.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What the hell? We got one of these, this got a C next to this. This civil infraction, we'll put them in file.
No, it just means that they didn't pay attention to what file they.
Fail to stop in the short clear distance.
Yeah, it says SI, it should be an orange file.
I would mind, yeah, this. And well, in my personal.
Ms. Farage, we ready on Nielsen?
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. I hope that young man heard my heart, counsel. He is so lucky, man. Right? If you don't have family, what do you got? That's the problem with being young, though. We don't usually notice our blessings when we have them. I'll wait for him.
Yes, we're ready, like,
All right, appearances on the People versus Nielsen.
James Blanky appearing on behalf of the people, PA 400.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Grace of our Drive, on behalf of Mr. Nielsen, can you please introduce the record?
Have a seat, Mr. Nielsen. All right, we ready?
The people are ready back, but I do want to put on the record. So I know last week you were here for this topic. It occurred to me that a personal issue came up with the detective. We have sent this up. So here's what happened. I was at Romulus or Van Buren yesterday. To personally get discovery. Well, I was there for other things, but.
Right.
Station. And I sent it over by 1 p.m. I believe that's when I sent
It was like
it. 2 o'clock.
Yesterday afternoon.
And it occurred to me, I've been asking for it the day we left, Shakespeare.
Right.
I also emailed on Friday about it. But a personal issue came with Mr. Harrison. I don't know if the court is aware, but
I'm not. No.
But, so it didn't get to council till here. That's just what I.
Then you can refile
Your Honor, we're gonna move to this one.
without prejudice, which means they can refile if they want to. Understood? All right, you still got some misdemeanor stuff we got to deal with. We've got fail to stop property damage accident, and then we've got a civil infraction, fail to stop assured clear distance ahead. Were those scheduled today? Or they're just tagging along? I'll give you the choice. You can wait until the attorney that's here today, that guy right there that just walked in, has time to talk to you, or I'll let you come back because I know you've been here most of the day. No, I'm giving you the option. If you want me to, I'll just give you another date on these. Okay. I'll even let you pick a Wednesday. Pick a Wednesday. You want to come back next week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks? I don't care.
2 weeks.
24th?
In 2 weeks, because I've been here every week.
No. I'm letting you pick, brother.
2 weeks.
Okay. Just have a seat in the pew behind you and we're gonna get your written notice. You got that? Adjourn me to the 24th. Oh, hold on. I think I wrote.
Hey,
I think
sir.
I wrote, I'm now we dismissed.
It's not question. You're ready, but.
Okay. Yeah. Mr. Roberts, what do you got?
Joseph Thompson.
What are we doing?
Oh,
I'm sorry? Is this yours, Mr. Lecky?
Get minutes go, get it.
Quickly. Yes. The family got my nephew up to second place. I don't know what they get, probably just a recognition.
Is Mr. Graziani on Tansy?
Yes.
Thank you.
Mr. Johnson, while we're waiting for the prosecutor on your felony file, my records show that you owe us some money on a 2023 misdemeanor out of Sumter, $149. Allowing an unlicensed driver to operate a vehicle.
I do believe I remember talking about, Your Honor, I had it, being garnished from my income taxes, I defeated,
Probably didn't pay it all off. Are you in a position to make some payment arrangements on that?
yeah, not paid off.
No, that's all right. We'll take payments. Can you set something up before you get out of the building?
Got it, so 100,
Our records show 149. Neil's mom passed away.
Well, no, I'm saying when we come back. No, no, because I'm, so. You go lucky.
Steve. Give me my key number on this.
33036. What you do it? Because I wrote it down.
I know, it's harder than I did.
it's around the cell spot means on there.
You know what donkeys do down at the couch? What is it? You know what donkeys do? It's in- it's serious.
All right.
That's all right. Stay where you're at. You gotta be quicker. I tell you, you gotta be quicker. If I'm already up here, you're late.
We have a plea in the court this night.
On which file?
And David, it's Nino Hummel, Judge, Hummel.
Go ahead and put your appearance down.
When police lights flashed behind him, he made the worst decision. He ran, Now standing in court, his future was in the judge's hands. The courtroom was silent. No emotional rescue, only consequences. Probation and heavy fines were ordered. One more mistake, and prison could be next.
Talking people, we'll figure it out.
Approval, we have a plea when it came to count.
Is he on the docket even?
I didn't see the docket.
All right, we'll blame Heather. Go ahead, counsel.
Third and count three would be attempted fleeing and eluding in the fourth degree. As the court knows, that's a 1-year misdemeanor.
That is correct, Your Honor.
And what are we dismissing?
Counts 1 and 2, Your Honor.
Which are what?
Fleeing and eluding in the third degree and driving while license suspended.
It's Gutierrez.
Gutierrez, Hummer.
There it is. All right. All right, Mr. Gutierrez Hummel, did you discuss your rights and options with counsel today? You understood those rights and options? And you understand the possible penalty for the added count? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to the added count today?
Yes.
Are you doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
Counsel, would you voir dire incident date August 31 in the township of Huron?
Mr. Humble, I'm gonna take it back to the date of August 31st, 2023, okay? Were you driving, highway I-65 southbound Huron Road? Is that in Huron Township? That's in the county of Wayne?
Yes.
And as we were driving, you noticed that the Huron Township Police were behind you.
Yes.
They were in a marked squad car, correct?
Yes.
You knew that they were police officers?
Yes.
And they attempted to stop you, correct?
Yes.
And you failed to obey the command of the officers?
Yes.
Understand?
I'm satisfied. I'll dismiss counts 1 and 2. What's the status of your license?
It was reinstated.
Awesome. All right, you working?
Yes.
Where at?
2 jobs.
Which one have you had the longest?
I'm sorry.
Which one have you had the longest? How long?
2 years now.
What's the other job?
In a dispensary.
Okay. How long?
It's been 2 months, almost 3 months.
Okay. Any criminal history, counsel? What else should I consider?
Your Honor, since 2023, this happened about 2 years ago. He hasn't had any of the arrests or felony contact with the police, but he said he got his license reinstated, so if the court had no objection to moving to immediate sentencing.
I do not. Anything else either one of you want to tell me?
Nothing further from the matter.
All right. Mr. Gutierrez, I'm going to put you on a non-reporting 12-month reporting. That means I'm just hanging over your head for 12 months. Make sure you're staying out of trouble. Court costs and fines assessed in the amount of $750. Can you pay $750 today or need options? Talk about that downstairs. Any questions?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck.
Hey, Greg.
You're welcome. Are we ready on Johnson?